Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with another brilliant product. Been very impressed with this product, I gotta tell you. It's from BlitzWolf.com, and you can check out their website. This is a soundbar. You can use this as a 60-watt 2.0 channel wireless soundbar, or you can wire it either way. It's pretty darn amazing, all the different features that go with this. You can use this for your TV, your PC, whatever. It's got HDMI inputs, coaxial inputs, optical inputs, auxiliary, and USB, so you can take and plug it in and away you go. I'm really freaking amazed at all the things you can do with it. It's a beautiful looking unit as well as very well sounding. It's got speakers along the front and across the top to give you just a whole surround sound sort of experience, if you will. It's got Bluetooth version 4.2 in it, so you can use your mobile devices to hook into it, and it's made of aluminum alloy plus PC material, so it looks really good. Weighs about 4 pounds roughly. And I gotta tell you, it works really good. You can have a distance of 10 to 15 meters on the Bluetooth, and it's got multi-interface, multi-scene mode. It'll actually tell you when you say sports and different things that you change to. It's got a smart on and off, wired or wireless connection, and 6 speaker and 2 diaphragms in it. The sound on this thing is incredibly good for the price you're gonna pay. I gotta tell you, I was very impressed with the sound quality, and especially at the price that it is. It's a really beautifully well done soundbar, and I'd highly recommend it. You can check it out and see what works for you. But definitely, if you want an inexpensive soundbar that's feature rich and great sounding, I think you'll be very impressed with this soundbar. So we'll give you a chance to listen to it, and be sure to check it out at BlitzWolf.com.